Alright, so today we're gonna try out to create a payable programming for your members at your box. We're gonna use Google Sheets to automatically load the programs into Boxpeak for consumption of your members. Okay, so you navigate into your programming tab by clicking programming, and then you navigate to Sheets. Okay, unless you're already authorized, you need to authorize Boxpeak to be able to fetch your cheats. So let's try that. I'm gonna get an authorization code. I'm gonna choose. I have a shitload of Google accounts, but I'm gonna use my my Gmail. Okay, so we are authorizing Boxpeak to load in my Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm copying this, navigating back to Boxpeak, and authorizing. Okay, yeah, authorization code seems to work. Okay, and you need to do that with every Google account you have. So now we're gonna create a sheet. Yeah, sorry, we're gonna go to the programming first. So here is my my sheet. It's a copy paste of the all-round program. Some key things here is that you need to have a 7-day week, even though you have empty days here. Okay, so the headline for each programming day would be a date. So and it's the format is year. So 4 numbers of year, month, 2 digits, and day of the month, 2 digits. That's the ISO version of it in Europe. Okay, right. So here we have 4 days of programming, each in a column. You have some section separators, so if you want to have preparation, use that keyword preparation, or you can use warm-up as well. That would work. The system will identify it and create a nice section for you. So you can add text and links. The system will identify links, so they will be clickable. If it's YouTube, it's going to be embeddable. The system understands strength and will create a section from it. Understands conditioning and WOD. Yeah. So, and it will understand if you create something like this. System will understand that this is the separator of columns. So last week would be something like this, right? Okay, you get the picture. Okay, so let's try this. Navigating back to Boxpeak, creating a sheet. Some call this my fantastic program. The sheet ID, that's the Google Sheet ID, which we'll find in the navbar. It's this one. Okay, copy. That's the identifier for Google. Okay, so there it is. The sheet name, that's the tab here. So it's the sheet name. Oh, what was the name? So the sheet name, lowercase, yeah. Right, so I'm gonna charge 150 kroner for this. You could also have this included in your box membership and select which membership it should be connected to. But let's not go through that now. We're gonna select that it's gonna be published every Sunday at 20:00. Right, that's gonna be done automatically. Save. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's publish last week because we don't want to wait for the server to catch up for it. So we're gonna publish each day. Okay, so 4 programs was published. So now I'm navigating back as a subscriber. I could go to the front page and subscribe for my fantastic program here. Or I would see it in my dashboard here. Okay, I'm gonna change language for you. Go to the top, reload this page. So, okay, so you can either click here or you can go to the daily program button. Okay, so we have no programs today, but let's go visit back Monday. So here we have my free box program, and here we have my fantastic program. Okay, yeah, it's not enabled for me, but my box program probably was. Yeah, it was. Okay, so let's pay for it. Please subscribe. Here we have the handsome Victor guy. Okay, it takes a shitload of time. This is my development environment. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to use some fake credit card data. Oops, what happened? Since I don't want to use my own credit card. So this is a development environment, so not all pages are like it should be in the live version. This page will not appear. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if I have access to the programming now. Yep. And here it is. Cool, huh? Yeah, that's about it. It's an easy way for you to generate some revenue for your box, and it's going to be paid out to your account as agreed with BoxBit.